Hello student, today we are going to continue chapter 3rd, human reproduction. Student, in my previous video we have discussed about implantation. Our today topic is what happened once the implantation is done. When implantation is done, firstly placenta formation take place. Student, you know about the placenta that it is the structure and functional link between the mother and fetus. But here we are talking about that how the placenta formed. Student, placenta is formed in 8 to 9 days. In 8 to 9 days, and placenta is formed of two components. The first one is fetal placenta and second one is maternal placenta. Fetal placenta is formed from the trophoblast of blastocyst. We talk about that when mitotic division start in a zygote, the embryo is formed and 8 to 16 blastomere is called morula. After that, the morula continuously divide and it transformed blastocyst. And blastocyst have two layers. Actually, it has outer layers and inner group of cells. Outer layer is called trophoblast and this trophoblast formed fetal placenta. Okay, and maternal placenta, it developed from the uterine tissue. Actually, student, after implantation, finger-like projections appear on the trophoblast called chorionic villi, which surrounded by the uterine uterus and maternal blood. Here in this picture, you can see the finger-like projection, and this finger-like projection appeared on the trophoblast, and this finger-like projection what we call here you see clearly this finger-like projection, we call it chorionic villi. Okay, this chorionic villi is a finger-like projection which appear on the trophoblast cell and it is surrounded by the uterine tissues and maternal blood. Student, the placenta is connected to the embryo through the umbilical cord. Here you see the umbilical cord. This one is the umbilical cord. The placenta is joined or connected to embryo with the help of umbilical cord. This umbilical cord help in the transport of substance to and from the embryo. Okay. Here you can see in this picture the placental villi which is present here. These are the placental villi and this is the cavity of uterus, and here you see this is embryo. This connection is called umbilical cord with vessels. This is the placenta is connected with the embryo through this umbilical cord, and this is the plaque of mucus in cervix. Student, now we read about the role of placenta. What is the role of placenta? Student, it formed umbilical cord. We read that the placenta is connected to the embryo through the umbilical cord which help in a transport of substance. So, umbilical cord arise from fetus abdomen and connect to the placenta. And nutrients come into the fetus from mother's blood. And waste go out from the fetus into mother bloods. Exchange of gases, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is also done by this umbilical cord. Student, placenta is also act as an endocrine tissue and it produces several hormones, and it is very important. Placenta act as an endocrine tissue and produce hormones. Which hormones? Human chorionic gonadotropin, which we call HCG, and human placental lactogen. Okay, these hormones are secreted by placenta. And estrogen and progesterone. Is that clear? And it is very important, student, because sometimes there is a question that human chorionic gonadotropic or human placental lactose and hormones are secreted by, then you write placenta, because sometimes placenta is also act as a endocrine tissue. And student, in the later phase of the pregnancy, a hormones which we call relaxin is also secreted by the ovary. And HCG